So America's accountant, Dan Geltrude from Geltrude and Company, joins me now. And this is maddening to me, Dan. So you go to the boss, you demand a raise because inflation is just killing you on what you can buy. And now, because, you make more, you can buy the same as you bought last year, but you pay more in taxes. It just drives me nuts.
Well, that's the whole point, right? When you look at what inflation really is, it's a tax. It's a sales tax because every time you're purchasing something, it is costing you more. So in this particular case, the IRS is trying to make up for that by moving the tax brackets. It's important to note it's not the tax rates. All it's doing is it's giving you more room to accumulate taxable income before you jump into the next bracket. So is it helpful? Absolutely. But it's also a mirage because Americans really aren't gaining anything. They're barely keeping pace with purchasing power. And that's what it's all about. Do you ultimately have more money in your pocket to be able to buy more things? And the answer is right now, no, you don't.
And could this affect, then moving these brackets, could it affect consumer spending next year? Are people thinking about that, or is this not something they see?
Well, it looks like Americans are spending whether they have extra money or not, right? Because we see credit card debt going over a record $1 trillion and counting. So it looks like the American consumer wants to keep buying stuff. So if they're going to have some extra money in their pocket, or so they think, are consumers going to continue to spend? I believe that they will. It seems like people are getting more optimistic about what's happening because inflation is coming down. Right. But keep in mind, Edward, that inflation is cumulative. When they say year over year inflation is reducing, it's really not the case because you have to look at how much it went up last year and then combine the two.
So, Dan, I want to get this in. You and me were here 1 year ago today, and I asked you to look forward. These videos don't go away, so listen to this. So, Dan, what sectors do you like in the new year?
The value, particularly in big tech, has come down significantly. So if you like big tech before, now you're going to get it at a super discount. I really like what's going on in the energy sector and utilities as well. They had a tremendous year in 22 in both sectors, and I anticipate that's really going to continue through 2023.
If I had listened to you, I would have made a lot of money. So what are we going to look for in 2024, at the end of 2024?
Listen, Edward, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I think big tech still has a lot of room, particularly where we're going with artificial intelligence. AI is expanding everywhere, so I still think big tech is a good spot. And energy, listen, a company like Chevron, right? And oil prices are down right now, and I think that's going to go up at some point in time. Plus, it's great with dividends. So I'm sticking with that until there's a reason not to. So listen to me this time, Edward.
Wait, let me write this down here. I got to listen to you because, man, you were right. I appreciate your help, Dan Geltrude. Thank you very much. Happy New Year.
Thank you.